So if you guys are looking for a way to make your lawn double dark, green and thick with some additional vigor just in time for Halloween, this is going to be the video for you. We are 2 weeks away from Halloween, and I just wanted to share with you guys an application we've done on my backyard about a month ago now, and the results that we got fairly quickly, in about 2 weeks to be exact. So that is with this product right here, the N-Charge 2800, which is brand new to the DIYers. It's been a product that's been around for quite a while, but now DIYers can get their hands on it. And my friends, as someone who's been using this product out on the field, I can tell you this is a banger of a fertilizer product for the spring and fall time. Now in this case, we're going to use it in the fall here on my backyard. As you guys know, a little update on my backyard. It's pretty much gotten minuscule amounts of care this year because I've been caring for it deeply over the last 6 years. And so far, I've only done 4 apps on it if you include this product right here. We did one in the spring. We let it ride out the whole summer. We did one a couple months ago, and then we did another one just a few weeks ago with the N-Charge. Just wanted to give you an update on how that looks at 22 ounces per thousand. We sprayed that out early September. Here's what it looks like the end of September. We did that application on Friday, September 13th. It is now Thursday, September 26th. Things are looking pretty good. Now we've gotten cool weather, we've gotten rain, but on top of that, the fertilizer is starting to do its job. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the exact angles from 2 weeks ago. Here and here. Looking way better. Now it's been about 3 weeks since I've mowed it, and that's actually one of the things I wanted to point out about this particular product that's pretty cool. It does give you a little hit of extra nitrogen in there. Gives you a little bit of fast release, a little bit of slow release. It gives you that nice vigorous look without pushing a lot of growth, which is like that happy medium, by the way, for a lot of people. So yeah, this product is wicked cool. Gonna last about another 4 weeks, which is pretty cool. If you're looking for a really nice fertility product in liquid form that's going to give you a similar effect that you would with your granular, it's going to give you a nice nitrogen boost, going to push a lot of top growth, give you a lot of vigor, this is going to be the fertilizer product of choice for me. Heck, if you apply it today or a week from today, that's still plenty of time to see a nice pop of color for Halloween, just like we did in this video here. So go out there, go get them, and I'll see you guys in the November lawn plan.